Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Week Ahead. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Sunday, July the 29th, 2012, just about 4:28 p.m. Eastern. Markets really looking relatively flat on the open. Aussie ticking up a little bit. Looks like it got up to 105. Euro in the pre-market below pre-5 p.m. Eastern when the most of the market opens in about 30 minutes. About 50 pips lower. Got up to about 123.50, I see. Aussie, Kiwi, all were higher. Coming in a little bit. All depends on the futures. Let's see where these S&Ps open up. And you're looking at the S&P 500. I mean, Friday, just what a day. I don't know what to say. What a day. What a freaking day. Do I get it? Absolutely not. The only thing I get is that there's $1 trillion on the sidelines ready to invest. But other than that, do I think Draghi's comments were that dramatic? Do I think the Germans never went along with it? Even comments over the weekend? No one really going along with it, saying nothing's done set in stone. There's so many moving parts to this thing. And the bottom line is, actions speak louder than words. And that's the part that kills me. I've always lived by that. Live by the sword, die by the sword. And to me, it was all jawboning. But to have the S&P make the biggest two-day move all year. This was the biggest two-day move. 400 freaking Dow points. 45 S&P points. What a joke. But you know what? How do you fight this? I don't know how you fight it. Outside candle, look at that weekly chart. Outside candle, freaking gorgeous. We take out my channel line, we're going to come up and spike up a little here, maybe 1,400. Do I think we get to 1,425? No freaking way. Oh, no. But, hey, should we do that? You know, we're looking 1,450 easy. To the moon, Alice. No matter what. No matter what. Well, I shouldn't say that. But barring the Fed doing QE3 with $1 trillion, which is such a joke, there's no way they're going to do that. But barring that, I don't see how the market explodes through 1450. I don't think the market's going through 1425. I don't even know if the S&P is going to take on my channel line here. Maybe hit 1,400 and then boom. We have a candle that looks very similar. We have this candle, right? Different circumstances, I understand, but you look at the previous candle, same thing. Closed strong, outside candle here. Then started the week strong and freaking collapsed. And look at that. Over 120 S&P points. Bang! So I think that's what's going to happen. I think we maybe rip them, pull them in, turn around Tuesday, maybe the rally, try and make it back up there, and then we got the ECB on Thursday, we got the FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee, on Wednesday, ECB on Thursday, ADP also on Wednesday, and then non-farm payroll for the U.S. on Friday. I'm not looking for the non-farm payroll to be so bad. I mean, the market's only looking for 80,000. It's a joke. It's baked in the cake. It's going to be better. You have the unemployment claims, better, 350 on Thursday. Again, seasonal, but still. You had 4th of July that was better. Now you had this week that was better. They're saying seasonal, bullcrap, whatever. I don't know. Third base. So I think the number could be decent. I don't think the Fed is going to do as much as the market thinks they're going to do. And I think the ECB is going to be full of crap. I don't think we're going to get LTRO. No way. We got this whole meeting coming up tonight, right? Geithner. He's back. Batman. Saving the day. He's meeting with everyone. Going to Europe, pounding the table, do it. Well, you know what? The Germans certainly over the weekend didn't say they were going to do it. So, obviously, it's all about the charts. Charts don't lie. And I agree. I think Bernanke's going to wait for Jackson Hole. I thought very interesting. I think we're looking at the September jobs report, first week in October. Maybe September he does something. I just don't think the numbers are falling off a cliff enough for Bernanke to panic and do QE3 now. Why waste your silver bullet? I just don't see it. But again, these S&Ps, they look like they're going higher. I don't see how we're just going to drill. I would love to see us launch tonight. Gap up maybe. And then come in. But as far as numbers coming out, we don't really have a tremendous amount of numbers coming out in the next 24 hours. To me, the big thing I see, nothing out of the U.S. To me, I think that this GDP coming out tonight, is going to be disgusting. Down 0.4. So I think we come in. I take a look at this Euro chart. I got to tell you, this thing might pull to 122. 122.20, and then maybe reverse the upside. Maybe. But look at this dollar index weekly chart. Does not look very pretty. Certainly a nice reversal candle. Outside candle. Big time. Are we due for a pullback? Hell yeah. Can we get to the 30 EMA? Absolutely. We're looking like 81. I don't think we're going to get there, but certainly filling in this trade here, 81.50, looks very interesting. That's a full penny. A penny 20. A penny for your thoughts. And by the way, I am offering premium. You got good deals going on here right now. Summer specials across the board. 3 months for $400. 6 months for $600. That's a big discount, and a 1-year deal for $1,000. People, what are you waiting for? I'm offering you deals this century. This market starts coming in, I'm going to start printing money again. It's been a tough month. I will grant you that. But last I checked, there was still 12 months in a freaking year. Last I checked, I've been doing this for 5 years. I ain't going nowhere. No matter how bad of a day I had on Friday. I ain't going nowhere. They're going to carry me on a stretcher. Oh, baby. If anything, I'm done at the end of this year. That's it. I'm making it through December 21st, 2012. I guarantee that. Friday sucked. But dollar index, again, weekly chart, does not look very good. Absolutely not. We should come in more. But that euro was crazy on Friday. 100 pip sell-off, and the S&P's hell pat. The Aussie didn't go anywhere. Euro Aussie, I was doing phenomenal in, and then melted 100 pips. I get it. I do. Euro yen, let me tell you, this looks good. Weekly chart, blue. Outside candle, almost. Pulled in nicely. Tell you, dollar yen looks interesting on the long side. Me love you long time. Long side. Dollar yen, help out the euro dollar a little bit. You look at this weekly, I don't know. Third base. Doji came in nicely. It takes out 77.50. Gone. Like the win. And remember, it'll be about non-farm payroll. That'll be the key. But certainly this level here, 77.50 is huge. Taking out this week's low would be huge. You look at the hourly chart, which I don't do all the time. But we've clearly broken this whole downtrend channel. And when I look at my channel line on the hourly, I'm looking at 94.60. I'm 30. Certainly looks like get there. I mean, this whole downtrend has been broken. So dollar yen and bond yields, listen, we had monster reversal in the 10-year. Monster. 10-year got up to a sort of 162. Huge. It was 140. 22 basis points. That's a lot. So Dollar yen normally does trade with the bond market, as we see. Bond yields have been collapsing. And yes, good comment from my premium member. Andy Bush did make a comment on Friday. Kathy, I love Kathy, but I got to tell you, she's not so great on Fast Money. She's really not. I should be on Fast Money. Right into CNBC, would you? It's a joke. Gosh, she's bad. Kathy. But yeah, Andy Bush basically saying if it was a done deal, Geithner would not be on a plane to beg the Germans to them to make a deal. Absolutely. Couldn't agree more. But, you look at this dollar yen weekly chart, doesn't look so bad. This looks good. And bond yields going up. This dollar yen could be a trade. You certainly stop yourself out at 77.50, 77.40. Looking for profit, 80.50. Risk reward, I like it. Bond yields continue to go up. That's a good thing. Euro weekly chart, again, outside candle. It does look pretty good. I don't see why we can't make a movement. Everyone's shorting the bounce. That means more squeezing coming. Friday, they got screwed. All the longs. Maybe. But when you take a look at the hourly chart on the euro dollar, doesn't look very good. Monster outside candle. Kept on melting down. This channel line did not hold, which says to me, I got to tell you, this euro, you get the Spanish GDP tonight. I don't think that's going to be very good. By the time tonight comes, we'll be around here, so that's 122.30. Bang, in the crosshairs. So I think this euro could come in. I think we want to buy that pullback. I think this euro move could be significant on the upside, short squeeze. Maybe the other ones, though. Euro Aussie came in monster. Look at that chart. Is that crazy? Profit just went bye-bye. You know what? We can hold this. If we can hold this, this doesn't look so bad. Stop yourself out here. I got to tell you. Risk reward, you look at the weekly chart, that's an hourly chart, it doesn't look as good. Frac job. But again, risk reward, 50 pips, and then we head back up. That's it. Because let me tell you, this is not the most bearish looking chart. Fact is, we didn't take out 117. This is way oversold. Finally had a decent move, and they screwed it. So, I got to tell you, this Euro Aussie looks to me very interesting. Más interesante. And you look at this Euro Kiwi also. Didn't close low. It was a frac job. Not so bad. Still, for now. Euro Sterling also. Oof. Oh, boy. Market's opening up. Oh, lovely. All right, dollar Canada. Let's go through them. Dollars. Dollar Canada. Monster outside candle on the weekly. It looks gorgeous to the downside. 99 is our channel line. Again, actually, channel line's a little higher now. 99.50 and 99.30. Canadian numbers have not been that good at all. This one, love dollar Swiss. Love. Outside candle, this looks freaking gorgeous. Took out the channel line. I think this baby easily, we're talking something 96. Damn it. Nope, can't do it. All right, so let's have to delete this. Didn't want to do that. So they're pulling into this channel line here, 96.50. Just don't know how much more there is. Don't know how much more there is. Sterling. Certainly a nice outside candle. Todd Gordon talking on fast money. We're waiting for 98. 158. Todd. Interesting, Todd. Wow. Todd's a good guy. I know him personally. He's a really nice guy. Lost some nice weight. But cable. One thing I thought was interesting about Olympics, you know, the country that does that hosts the Olympics, 6 months after does well, net. So that says to me, well, not necessarily cable, but maybe pound Aussie. Oh, baby. I mean, this thing is way down. Risk off. This is a big week, people. This is it. This is it. If we don't reverse this week and we close strong, I fucking quit. I swear to God, I don't know if I could take it. I don't know if I could take it. This is a test of being a bear this week. Big test. Could we come in? Sure. Listen, we closed below this number. This isn't looking very good, but still kind of bullish. This Aussie dollar, no freaking way. No way. Oh, come on. Don't tell me that. There we go. All right, give you the daily. Oh, JoJo, shut the hell up. All right, so question. Are we going to take this out? Because this is that's it. That's it. If we take this out, then, well, forget about that. That would be 1425 in the S&P. But this is 107. This is how we do it. This would not be fun. It's another 225 pips. Could it happen? Absolutely. Let's see what the S&Ps open up tonight. But we've come a long way, baby. 95, 1,000 pips in 2 months. That's not chump change. Yes, we went down 1,000 pips in a month. So we came right back, round trip. 107, you back the freaking truck up and mortgage the house and sell everything. Absolutely. No way we taking out 107. But you know what? It looks like we might get there. Unbelievable as it sounds. It looks like we might get there. You look at this Kiwi. Another one. Channel line. Looks like 82. Easy. Easy. Numbers have been strong. GDP has been good. Earthquake construction has been better. I mean, I'd rather buy the Kiwi than buy the Aussie, for sure. Outside candle. Don't get no better than that. Doesn't look bad. And that's it. Aussie yen, another one. Outside candle looks like it wants to break the hell out. You know, I'm going to make a run up to 88. Why the hell not? And again, you got your Fibonacci retracement. And it looks like 83.30 easy. That's another 100 pips. Is it going to be easy? Of course not. It never is. Again, feel free to email me about any aspects of my business. Email me at info@globalfxllc.com. People, remember, part of my premium service is a newsletter, and it begins with G and ends with N. And it costs $400 a month. And you get that as part of my service, on top of everything else I give. And yes, it's been a terrible month, July. Kill me. June was pretty good. So we gave some back. Gold looks like it's going higher. Breaking out of the wedge. But I promise you, you will learn a lot by trading with me in my room. I don't lie. I say it the way it is. When I get killed, I admit it. When I make money, I admit it too. Hell yeah. But no, last week was a terrible week. Friday, everything was fine. Thursday wasn't even that bad. Friday was just a nightmare. I think crude's going up. Even though there's demand destruction, even though there's deflation in my opinion. We're going to see deflation talk soon. Bottom line is this year looks good. Looks like we're going higher. Outside candle, big pullback, nice, but I tell you, we're looking good. All right. Again, email me, info@globalfxllc.com. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio. Follow me on YouTube, Voice of Forex. Follow me on Facebook, Voice of Forex. My fan page is Voice of Forex, but my personal Facebook page is Andrew.Spanton. And please follow me on Twitter, Voice of Forex. Some of my keywords I always post in Twitter is Forex, for sure. Nuts. This is a joke. All right, everyone, have a great week. And again, hopefully, up, down, down, up, down. Net, down on the week. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, hoping and praying, the only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Not just hoping and praying. Technicals lead the way, too. And macro, bye-bye.